Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to create a simple Pinterest account from here. So to create accounts on Pinterest is very easy. We're going to do something, it's almost going to be similar like the one on Instagram, because they're almost the same social media platform, but they also perform differently. So we're going to go and create a good Pinterest account from here. I'm going to go and make sure to go and create a business account, not a normal user account. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Pinterest, you just go and click on sign up. Once you click on sign up from here, you're going to input your email, you're going to create a password, and you're going to input the date of birth from here. So let me just do that for this example. So from here, I've just created a simple account. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on next. And for this, you can just go input anyone from here. Let me just click on this. And from here, you're going to make sure to go and input your, you're going to make sure to go and input your language. You're going to input your language right here. We're going to input to English. You can go, for example, English US. And for your location also is very important. From here, you're going to make sure to go and input a US location. So make sure to go and input right here. Click on this, scroll down on the location. I'm going to go and input United States, because most of the people that buy this affiliate offers, most of them are in the third world are in the first top tier countries like United States, Canada, Australia, UK. Most of this is where most people actually buy a lot of affiliate offers, because most third world countries, most of them don't have credit cards. Most of them don't even buy online. So we're going to make sure to go and use, choose for example United States, Canada, Australia, or any of these ones. So I'm just going to go and click on next. And most of these right here you can just go and do. You can go and choose anyone from here. And that is it. Our account is already being set up right here on Pinterest. So what I'm going to do for me next, I'm going to go and convert this account into a business account. So it's not going to just be a normal account. So I'm just going to click on this, and I'm just going to click on convert to business account. And that's it. You're just going to go and click on upgrade right here, because you're going to be using this for business. So from here you can just click on describe your business. For example, consumer goods. And for this one, you can go and input your brand name. That can be like, for example, our page name. I'm just going to write, for example, best fitness. For example, best weight loss. And I'm just going to leave our United States. And here you can see there's a website option from here. And this is where we're going to go back to our system.io account. We're going to go back to system.io. Let me go back to sales funnels. I'm going to go to our Pinterest funnel right here that we created. So as I showed you guys in the previous videos, go back to our Pinterest funnel, and we're just going to go and copy our link. So let me just click on this. Our link has been copied, so that when somebody buys through this or gets any click from through this, we're going to know that this is coming from our Pinterest account. So let me just paste this right here. And for business goals, for example, increase online sales. For example, on beauty, let me see, yes, just click on done. And that's basically your account being set up. What you're going to do, you're going to go and write a bio. You're going to go and have a call to action in your bio and start posting content, just as I showed you guys in the previous video about setting up the Instagram accounts. So let me just click on this. For example, showcase ideas. And that's it. It's already been done. I can go and create pin from here, and I can also go and create Instagram or Pinterest reels from here. So let's go back right here. We're going to go back to our account, and we're going to go and edit our account from here. So let me click on settings, and from here we're going to go and write a bio. From here we're going to write about our account. We're going to go and you can see our link is already here, and from here we're going to go and write, for example, for our username you can go and write, for example best fits. That's our username. Let me see if it's available. And that's it for our bio. We're going to also go and have a call to action in our bio. So anybody that comes to our account, they can see that we are selling a weight loss product from here, and we are also going to ask them to go and buy this offer. So for example, we're just going to write a simple bio. As I showed you guys in the previous videos on Instagram, you can go and write a simple bio just like this ones right here on Instagram. So for example, let me just go, for example like this one. You can go and write something similar like this. For this example, I'm just going to go and copy and paste, because it doesn't matter that much. Is people that are on TikTok are on Instagram are going to be different from the ones that are going to be on Pinterest. And it doesn't matter because all we need is our call to action right here. Let me just paste this right here. I can see from here that is our call to action, and that's it. We're going to go and change to as well and input our profile photo from here, and we're going to go, as I showed you guys in the previous video, you're going to go to the website. It's called pixabay.com. Go and look for example fitness. For example, you can see I just type fitness woman. I can see there are thousands of images from here that I can go and download and use it on my fitness page on Pinterest, just like on Instagram. So I'm just going to go on, I'm just going to download, for example, this one. Click on this, download, click on this, and that's it. I'm just going to save, go back to my Pinterest account, click on change, choose photo, and that's it. My image is already being uploaded from here, and I'm just going to go and click on save. And most of this, right, you don't need any of this. Once it's done, I'm just going to go and click on save. So for the username, it's already been taken right here. So most of this is not very necessary. You're going to make sure to go and input your name right here. For example, best weight loss, for example, recipes. And that's it. So I'm just waiting for the image. It's taking a lot more time to go and save from here. And once it's done, I'm just going to go and click on save. You can see from here, our profile has already been saved. If I go back to our profile from here, you can see from here our profile has already been saved. And you can see from here it's actually looking very good. You can see it's looking a lot more professional. I can see this is our link right here. So it's very important. The most important thing here is your link, because if you post any type of content and it goes viral here and you don't have a link to your offer, you're not going to get any traffic, and as well no sales. So as you can see from here, our account is set up. This is our description, and this is our call to action right here. They can order now through this link, and this is our link. So when somebody click on this link, you can see this is our link. It's going to take them straight back to our landing page, and this is going to be on the Pinterest site. So that's it, guys. So what I'm going to do from here, I'm just going to go and post similar content as I show you guys on Pinterest the same way this as I show you guys on Instagram. I'm going to post similar contents on Pinterest as well. So let's go and create this content from here. We're going to go and click on Pinterest. I'm going to go and click on pin. Let me show you guys from here. You're going to click on create. I'm looking for idea pin. So the idea pin, there's an idea pin option in my other accounts. So for this one, so I can just go back right here and click on create pin. Once you come here, you're going to click on created. You can just go and click on create pin. And it's going to come bring you to this option to go and create pin. And so from here, what you're going to do from here is that we're going to go and just click on upload. We're going to upload, for example, a video or an image, and we're going to upload it right here. And what I recommend is that you go and post a lot more videos, because Instagram, for example, Pinterest, just like Instagram Reels, they are favoring a lot more videos than posting images on their platform. So as I showed you guys in the last videos, what I can do is I can go right here on Pinterest or on Instagram. You can go and search, for example, big Instagram account, weight loss accounts, just like these ones that I've shown you guys in the previous video. You can go and look for the ones that are posting a lot of these videos, before and after weight loss videos, and a lot of different contents about losing weight that are getting a lot of views. We're going to go and download them as I showed you guys in the previous video. We're going to post them back on our Pinterest account, and from here we're going to start getting a lot of views. So that's what I'm going to go and do. And in the next day of the challenge, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I did in the previous day. I'm going to give you guys updates, and you're going to see exactly what I did and the traffic that I'm getting from this right here. So for Pinterest, this is just the first account that I've shown you guys from here. I'm going to go and create a lot more accounts. I'm going to create at least 5 or more accounts, because you can go and get traffic from Pinterest very fast. So as soon as you publish something on Pinterest, you can go and start getting traffic and clicks on in the same day. But on TikTok and Instagram, some of them you need, for example, at least a week for it to start getting traction and start getting people to click and go back. But on Pinterest, most of the time your accounts can easily get banned on Pinterest. But the advantage about Pinterest is that you can go and create a lot more accounts faster. I can go and post. If it get deleted, for example, in a day or two, you can still create another account and start and keep posting But for Instagram, once the account is already standing, most of the time it's going to be a lot harder for your account to get banned. And from there you can go and have a huge audience that you're going to be posting content to all the time. But for Pinterest, you can also go and get a big audience on Pinterest, but most of the time you should not be surprised that your account gets banned. But if your account gets banned, there's no problem. Just create more accounts and post content, as we are trying to make sales here as fast as possible. And don't forget about the Instagram account. Keep posting there, because if one account gets banned, for example on Pinterest, you know that you still have your own backup accounts on Instagram and TikTok, so you're not going to be lacking traffic from any of the sources. So that's why I recommend that you should go and have different traffic sources, so when one traffic source goes down, you're not going to be stranded and not making any money. You're going to have other accounts as backup. So that's, I'm just going to go and upload, for example, a video from here. Let me just upload a sample video from here. So you can see from here, this is a simple video that I want to do from Pinterest itself. So if you go to Pinterest and search, for example, weight loss, you're going to see a lot of content that people are posting here, right here on Pinterest. They can go and reuse this as post as weight loss inspiration videos, and also write a call to action about promoting your own affiliate offer from here. So what you can do from here is you can go and write, for example, best secrets to lose weight. For example, best weight loss transformation, and you're going to go and write, for example, tap the link in my bio, tap the link in my bio to lose weight. You can go and write simple the title just like this one. You can go and write, for example, best weight loss inspiration, and you can just go and maybe take this right here and put it in as the description. And you can go and write a longer description from here. For example, tap the link in my bio to learn the secret method that help people lose weight fast. And you can also just do like that in many other posts, as I show you guys on Instagram. And you're going to go and just write something just like this. So you're going to sometimes you can take time and write a longer description, but for this one we're just going to leave it like this. So you can see from here on Instagram or on Pinterest right now, you can go and add a link. So you can go and input our link from here. So you can go add link from here, but I recommend that you should not go and add your link from here all the time, because if you post your link too much on Pinterest, it's going to be blocked as it's going to be seen as spam. So I recommend that as you're posting at least 5 posts a day on right here on Pinterest, you're going to add, for example, your link inside like 2 of these posts, so that your link is not going to be overused on Pinterest and gets blocked. So that is also, you have to make sure that you're going to not post your link too much on your post. And one thing to go and get a lot of traffic is you're going to go and save other people's posts. You're also going to go and follow people that have similar followers. So let me just show you how I'm going to do that. For example, I'm just going to go and let's go and get our link back. So it's our Pinterest link. Let's get it back right here, and I'm just going to post it right here for the hashtag. So I'm going to say, for example, weight loss, Weight Watchers recipe, weight loss motivation. So this is going to help people to find our content right here on Pinterest. Let me just, for example, weight loss tips, etc. I'm just going to click on publish, and that is it. Our post is going to be published from here. It's going to take some few seconds and it's going to be published. And what we're going to do next is we're going to go and look for similar accounts on Instagram, on Pinterest, and we're going to see what they're doing, so that you can also go and use some of their strategies right here. So let me just go back to my accounts, go and create it. Let me reload this, and you're going to see from here that our content is already been posted, our video has already been posted, and you can see our stats from here is still 0 because we're still starting. But if I go and type, for example, right here and search, for example, weight loss, just click on search and type right here weight loss. I know I'm not seeing no. Okay, you can see from here, these are results from here. Weight loss similar content. So you can see these are weight loss videos, these are weight loss images from here, and you can see most of them have links. So you can see from here, I can click directly from here. It's going to take me to the affiliate website. That's the reason why we input our link on the pin. So you can see from here, take me straight back to that website. So if you click on the video, so let me click on the video, So when you click on the video, you're going to go and find similar videos from here. You can see these are similar videos from here. You can go and also download some of these videos right here and repost it back either on your Instagram accounts, your TikTok accounts, or still back on Pinterest. You can still get a lot of views and still get a lot of free traffic from here. You're going to make sure to go and look for the ones that get a lot of traffic, so that you can also go and get a lot of traffic from there, because they have been proven to go and get a lot more traffic on these different platforms. So you can see, for example, this one have up to 115 comments. So you can see from here, people are posting, for example, that before and after weight loss. You can see there's a lot of comments from here. So let me just go back right here. But you can see from here, this is a link back to their website. They're using Medium to create their landing page. So you can already imagine how much traffic this particular pin got here, and this a video pin. So video pins tend to convert very well. So what I'm going to do from here, as I'm seeing that this one is converting very well, it's getting a lot more traffic, I'm also going to go and download this and post it back on my accounts, so that I can also go and get some share of that views. So you can see from here, if I click on this link, takes me straight back to their Medium accounts that have posted a simple article promoting their weight loss offers. You can see from here, I go right down here, I can see if I click on watch video, that's going to take me to their affiliate offer. So people are already using this method, so this also prove that we can also go and make money from this, because people are using these methods already every single day, and they're promoting their own affiliate offers right here. So this is taking a lot more time to load. I don't know which offer that is. So what we're going to do from here, we're going to go and also, you can go and download this video. We're going to post it back on our own accounts, and you can see, as I show you guys, there are similar videos. There are thousands of videos similar. Once you click on a video, and go down, you're going to see thousands of similar contents that people have already posted. You can go and repost these inspiration videos and also promote your own affiliate offer. So that's it. So this is already done. I'm just going to go and capture this. So to go and download on Pinterest is actually very easy. All you have to do is you're going to click on these options. You're going to get the link. So let me just look for where the link is. Then click on this. Alright. Focusing, you just have to go to the bar. If I go to the bar, to my tab bar, I'm just going to go and copy the link from there and paste right here on the downloader. So what you can do from here to go and get a lot of traction fast is that you're going to go and be saving other people's content. You can go and create a free bot. Like for this one, I can just go and click on this and create a bot, and I'm just going to save some of this content from here to help and kickstart driving traffic to my own accounts. So to go and download this, I'm just going to go there. A lot of websites that you can go and download this. One is called Pin Downloader. For example, Pin Downloader. And you can just go and download pins from here. There are a lot of websites. You can just click on this, paste the link. You can go and download some of these videos, post on your own accounts, so you can go and start getting some traction as soon as possible, and input a link back to your website. So I'm just going to take time and do that, and in the next day I'm going to be showing you guys updates of what I've actually done in this account. So be sure to subscribe and also come back tomorrow, as I'm going to be posting the updates of what has been happening with the account, and also show you on the TikTok side of things. So that's it, guys. Be sure to, if you want to go and make money as well, you can follow step by step, and by the end of this challenge, we're going to see if we're going to be able to make money by the end of this challenge right here. So that's it. I'm going to see you in the next day.